This video will demonstrate how to use Orange Intel to view the maintenance schedule and monitor the service of your equipment for machines equipped with telematics. The Equipment List view allows you to quickly see the service status of your equipment and filter by upcoming service intervals. On the right side of each machine listed, you will see a green, yellow, or red bar that indicates the status of the service intervals of your machines. If you see a green bar, that machine doesn't require any major service intervals within 50 hours. If the bar is yellow, your machine has a major service coming due within 50 hours. If the bar is red, this indicates that you have a major service due within 10 hours. You can click on each bar to view the manufacturer recommended service for the equipment selected. Note that the number displayed in a yellow or red bar indicates the number of hours before service is due. This information is also accessible by selecting a piece of equipment from the equipment list and clicking on the Service tab. You can view the recommended service intervals and access the service details by selecting the desired hourly service category. Once service has been performed, you have the ability to enter that service information into the service log. We hope this video has been helpful. Tutorials on additional topics can be found in the FAQ section of Orange Intel on our website at www.ditchwitch.com or on our Ditch Witch YouTube channel.